Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay, and here are two cases from Encased for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And I want to go ahead and put these on. I've already unboxed them for you. They come in this nice friendly packaging right here from Encased. This is basically a light version and a rugged heavy duty version. So we'll start with the let's start with the heavy duty version. This thing clasps on so snug and it is so nice. And there's a screen protector on here too, and it's not peeling on the sides because it overlaps the screen. So that's really cool. Buttons are really clicky on here. Unlike some rugged style cases, it gets to where the buttons don't feel good. Lay on the table design is there. Really sweet. This is a nice rugged style case, man. I mean, this thing is nice. Really nice. This is probably one of the best feeling cases that I've ever put on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And that's saying something because this is my top dog case right here. But nonetheless, I'm really excited about this case right here because Encased always ships over some good cases. So rugged style case from Encased. Now let's switch over to the more, light on your bumpy cam, light on your pocket style case. This is like the thin Spigen style cases, but it's still drop protection. And so there you are, nice and thin, buttons click, you can feel, and just like the other case, all ports are going to be the same on here, except this one has a little bit of a bigger indention for the S Pen because of that, how recessed it is. But this is still, you can easily access your S Pen. You need a fingernail, kind of squish it in there and you're good to go. All ports and everything on there. These ports are kind of deeply recessed compared to the other case, and it eliminates the bump altogether. There is no camera bump whatsoever, and this is just a flat out great looking case. Hands down, this is fantastic. This is a great looking case. So wanted to go ahead and try these on for you. Search Encased. You can Google Encased or look on Amazon. You will definitely find these cases. Type in the name of the phone and then put Encased behind it, or Encased first, vice versa, and you will find these two cases at an affordable price. So it's your man Jay. Wanted to go ahead and try these on for you and show you that they're in the house. And so I'll see you in the next video. These feel great. Take care.